माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Papers to be laid on the table. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
With your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 1, bracket A, in today's revised list of business. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I lay the papers pertaining to the Ministry of Law and Justice on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 1B in today's revised list of the business. Thank you.
Dr. Chandrasekhar Pemasani.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1C in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Susri Shobha Karandlaje.
चेयरमैन सर, मैं आपके अनुमति से आज का कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित क्रम संख्या 1 पर वर्णित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखती हूँ।
श्री कीर्ति वर्धन सिंह.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers related to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change as mentioned against my name at point number E of serial number 1 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, Chair.
Sukanta Majumdar.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table the papers mentioned against my name at item number 6 of today's revised list of business in Rajya Sabha. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce, Shrimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I rise to present. Sir, I rise to present the 188th, 189th and 190th reports in English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce mentioned against my name in today's list of business. Thank you.
Report of department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal, Mines and Steel, Shri Deepak Prakash.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध कोयला, खान और इस्पात संबंधी अस्थायी समिति का 5वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Communications and Information Technology, Shri Leher Singh Siroya.
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध संचार और सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 8वां, 9वां, 10वां और 11वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखना चाहता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Report of department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas, Shri Mithilesh Kumar.
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध पेट्रोलियम और प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय के अनुदानों की मांगों को 2025-2026 के संबंध में पेट्रोलियम और प्राकृतिक गैस संबंधी स्थायी समिति का दूसरा प्रतिवेदन हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Reports of Committee on public accounts, Shri Shakti Singh Gohil.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. With your kind permission, sir, I rise to lay the Hindi and English version of the reports number 15th, 16th, 17th, and 18th of the Committee on Public Accounts 2024-2025 as listed against my name in the today's list of business at serial number 6. Sir, I lay the following reports, Hindi and English version of the Committee on Public Accounts 2024-2025. 1. 15th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations of the Public Accounts Committee contained in their 122nd report. 17th Lok Sabha on audit of pay and allowances in Police Department, UT Chandigarh. 2. 16th report on action taken by the government on the observations and recommendations of the Public Accounts Committee contained in their 133rd report. 17th Lok Sabha on short closure of electrification works due to incomplete prerequisite work, South East Central Railway. 3rd, 17th report on action taken by the government on the observations recommendations of the Public Accounts Committee contained in their 134th report. 17th Lok Sabha on infrastructure's expenditure on creation of mid-life rehabilitation facilities at Parel Workshop, Central Railway. And last, serial number 4, 18th report on action taken by the government on the observations recommendations of the Public Account Committee contained in their 139th report. 17th Lok Sabha on loss of revenue due to running of Suvidha Express train, South Western Railway. Thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Shri Kirti Vardhan Singh.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to make a statement on the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 24th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs on India's policy planning and role of think tanks with special reference to ICWA and RIS. Chairman, sir, since the statement is lengthy, this may be kindly be treated as read. Thank you, Chairman.